Hello students, this is exercise number 25 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine November 2021 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Sir, 735 students made applications. 150 meritorious students out of 735 were allotted to the college for admission to the first year MBBS course for the academic year 2017-2018. Only 9 out of 150 students, according to the college, took admission. The third respondent cannot be said to have been negligent. On the other hand, the college ought not to have issued a notice at 7:30 p.m. on 5th September 2017 and admitted 132 students in 4 hours. Admissions were made by the college from students who have approached the college after 7:30 p.m. on 5th September 2017. It is very difficult to accept the submission on behalf of the college that students who were not in the list of 150 students sent by the Director General Medical Education were all waiting for their admission after 7:30 p.m. on 5th September 2017. We reject the submission of the college that there was no other alternative except to make admission from the list of 735 students who have applied pursuant to the notice dated 4th September 2017 issued by the third respondent. The students who have secured admission cannot be said to be innocent, as they knew fully well that their names were not recommended by the Director General Medical Education. We also do not agree that students and their parents were not aware that their admissions in college are contrary to the regulations. In spite of the letter dated 29th September 2017 issued by the Medical Council of India, the college did not discharge the students. The said direction issued by the Medical Council of India was not stayed by this court. In spite of this, the students continued their first year MBBS course and managed to write the first year MBBS course examinations after being permitted by the university. Thereafter, they approached this court for declaration of their results for the first year MBBS course examinations, which was granted. 6 students out of 132 students failed in their first year examination. At present, 126 students have completed their second year course and are seeking permission to appear in the examination. The admission of 132 students in the college for the academic year 2017-2018 being completely contrary to the regulations, the writ petitions are liable to be dismissed. However, taking note of the fact that the students have completed the second year MBBS course, cancelling their admissions at this stage would not serve any useful purpose. The students who joined the college knowing fully well that their admissions are contrary to the regulations are directed to do community service for a period of 2 years after completing their MBBS course. The National Medical Commission shall decide the details and work out the modalities of the community service to be rendered by the 132 students. The respondent number 6 university is directed to conduct the second year MBBS examination for 126 students admitted in the petitioner college and who completed their second year course at the earliest and declare their results. They shall be permitted to complete the MBBS course. This direction is issued only to save the students from losing 3 academic years in the peculiar facts and circumstances of this case and shall not be treated as a precedent. Being aware of the fact that admissions cannot be made from students not allotted by the third respondent, the college admitted 132 students on its own. Thereafter, the college permitted the students to continue their studies in spite of the direction by the Medical Council of India to discharge the students not being stayed. Intentional violation of the regulations by the petitioner college while granting admission to 132 students in the first year MBBS course for the academic year 2017-2018 cannot be condoned. The petitioner college is directed to deposit an amount of rupees 5 crores in the registry of this court within a period of 8 weeks from today. The petitioners are directed not to recover the amount from the students in any manner whatsoever. We direct the National Medical Commission to constitute a trust which shall include the Accountant General of the State of Uttar Pradesh, an eminent educationist, and a representative of the State of Uttar Pradesh as member of the trust. The trust constituted to manage the amount of rupees 5 crores to be deposited by the petitioner college shall extend financial assistance to needy students seeking admission to medical colleges in the state of Uttar Pradesh. An action taken report along with the copy of the trust deed shall be filed at the earliest.